Ever felt like your schedule was a runaway train, especially when managing appointments for your business? Like you're constantly juggling calls, scribbling notes, and praying you don't double book someone? You're not alone. Whether you're a hairstylist, a personal trainer, a therapist, or any service-based professional, the struggle to stay organized is real. And let's be honest, those clunky paper appointment books? They belong in a museum, not in your bustling business. Think about it. How much time do you waste playing phone tag just to confirm a simple appointment? How many no-shows eat into your valuable revenue because clients forgot or couldn't easily reschedule? Or even worse, how many potential clients do you lose because they can't book with you online, anytime, anywhere? In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king. Your clients expect seamless online booking, automated reminders, and effortless payment options. If you're still relying on outdated methods, you're not just losing time, you're losing customers. But what if there was a way to streamline your entire appointment process, from booking to payment, all in one place? A tool that not only saves you time but also enhances your client experience and boosts your bottom line? That's where Square Appointments comes in. And today, we're diving deep into exactly how you can harness its power to transform your business. So, buckle up, because we're about to demystify Square Appointments and show you how to take control of your schedule, simplify your life, and ultimately, grow your business. First things first, let's get you set up. If you don't already have a Square account, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process. Just head to squareup.com and follow the prompts. Once you have your account, navigate to the Appointments section. Now let's talk about your services. This is the heart of your appointment system. You need to define what you offer and how much you charge. Click on Services and then Create Service. Here, you'll enter the service name, a description, the duration, and the price. Be specific. The more detail you provide, the better your clients will understand what they're booking. You can even add photos to showcase your work. Next, let's set up your staff. If you have a team, you'll want to add them to your Square Appointments account. Go to Staff and click Create Staff. You'll enter their name, contact information, and set their availability. You can also assign specific services to each staff member, ensuring that clients book with the right person. Speaking of availability, let's get your calendar sorted. Square Appointments allows you to customize your availability down to the minute. Go to Calendar and then Settings. Here, you can define your business hours, set buffer times between appointments, and even block out specific days or times for personal appointments or breaks. Now, for the magic, online booking. Square Appointments provides a customizable online booking website that allows clients to book appointments 24/7. To set this up, go to Online Booking and then Settings. You can customize the look and feel of your booking site, add your logo, and even integrate it with your existing website or social media pages. You can also customize the booking flow, specifying which fields clients need to fill out and how they can pay. And remember to enable email and text reminders. This drastically reduces no-shows and keeps your clients informed. Let's talk about payments. Square Appointments seamlessly integrates with Square's payment processing, allowing you to accept payments online or in person. You can set up automatic payments for recurring appointments or require a deposit at the time of booking. This helps ensure that you get paid for your time. Now, let's look at the client experience. When a client books an appointment, they'll receive an email or text confirmation with all the details. They'll also receive reminders leading up to their appointment. And if they need to reschedule or cancel, they can easily do so online without having to call you. Square Appointments also provides a client directory where you can store client information, notes, and appointment history. This helps you build stronger relationships with your clients and provide personalized service. But it doesn't stop there. Square Appointments also offers powerful reporting and analytics. You can track your sales, appointments, and client activity, giving you valuable insights into your business. You can see which services are most popular, which staff members are busiest, and how many no-shows you're getting. This data can help you make informed decisions and optimize your business. Let's do a quick walkthrough of a typical appointment flow. Imagine a client wants to book a haircut with you. They visit your online booking site, select the service, choose a date and time, and enter their information. They receive a confirmation email and a reminder text. You receive a notification in your Square Appointments calendar, and you're all set. When the client arrives for their appointment, you can check them in using the Square Appointments app. After the appointment, you can process their payment, either online or in person, and even send them a digital receipt. Now, let's talk about some advanced features. You can set up recurring appointments for clients who need regular services. You can also create custom packages or memberships to offer discounts and incentives. Square Appointments also integrates with other Square products, such as Square Marketing and Square Loyalty. This allows you to run targeted marketing campaigns and reward your loyal customers. And if you're on the go, the Square Appointments app lets you manage your schedule, book appointments, and process payments from your phone or tablet. It's like having your entire business in your pocket. One of the most powerful features is the ability to customize your notifications. You can choose which notifications you receive and how you receive them, ensuring that you're always in the loop. You can also integrate Square Appointments with third-party apps and services, such as Google Calendar and QuickBooks. This allows you to streamline your workflow and keep all your information in one place. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.